Hi everyone, it's Dash and me and Kayash. Today we are at one of our relatives' backyard. You know what we are doing? We are picking up the cherries. This is the cherry trees. You know, I can able to show you. I'll turn the camera the other way. There are so many cherries on the trees. Hi Gunandi. Hi Salunga.
Hi.
Hi Harry.
Hi.
Okay, these are the cherry trees, okay? Probably you can see so many cherries. You don't need to wash because it's fresh cherry, right? Just pluck it. Here you go. Yummy. Such a very good cherry. What my brother is doing, he put the stairs and he plucked so many cherries. How many cherries you had?
It's a lot, maybe more than 50.
Yeah, 50 cherries. Awesome. So, look at my family's here. My mother. Hi Mama. Hi Solunga. Hi. So Mama, hi Solunga.
Hi.
And another tree I want to go through with that. Oh, wow. So this is the pears. How to say it's a pear, right? It's a pear. It's not big yet. Probably you have to wait. It's the beginning of the summer. Here's a barbecue grill machine. If you want to do the barbecue in summertime, you can do that. And also they have a nice deck. You know, you don't need to put the chairs. So it's like staircase. And also he is eating beetle nut and beetle. That's the Sri Lankan way. Yes, my brother. Hi, Abhi. Say hi. I'm gonna put the ladder here. Just gonna go up. I'm gonna go to cherries. See? The tree is full of cherries. கணக்கே இருக்குதானே? I don't need to wash. Okay. So yummy. I want to show you the other way. Normally cherries எந்த மாசத்துல வரும்? Oh, look at this. Cherries here. Such a nice cherries. So this is the fire pit. At night time, you put everything together and make the fire. நெருப்பு பை எப்படி கேக்குறது?
You light it up or fire up. It's campfire.
Yeah.
Maybe.
This house has so many different fruit trees. This is grapes. Look at this. The grapes is not ripe yet. Probably you have to wait for that too. But that's not belongs to them. I think that belongs to the other house, the neighbor house. See? So nice. So they invited us for our dinner. They cook so many stuff. Let's see. They have a crab curry, which we don't eat, but for some other people. They have a puttu. It's a white puttu. And they have a sambar. What is that? And they have idli. And they have omelette, spicy omelette. Everything is house-made food, nothing. Wow, look at the sambal. It's not a grinding sambal, they made from the Ural. And here's a pumpkin curry. And here's a drumstick curry. This is famous Sri Lankan curry. And this is the dal curry. And also they have, what is that? Oh yeah, eggplant curry. They have a bunch of stuff. The plain tea is coming.
Okay.
Yes, the plain tea. You know what's the best feeling? Having a plain tea, ginger plain tea under the shade of trees in the backyard. The plain tea is so good. This is a cherry tree, and I told you, right, there's a big space they have at the back. So I'm gonna go to the outside. I'm gonna show you guys what is in there. I have no idea, but it's like a big space in there. So from the house, I came outside. Look at that. It's a big area to walk around. There's no houses, nothing's pretty, big empty land. So I think you can go for a nice walk after you had a meal, but I don't want to do that because I don't know this neighborhood. But it looks so beautiful. So in the middle there are big empty space. The other side there are a ton of houses there. And people, what they do, they take dogs for a walk, and people are walking too. Okay, already heated up. I'm gonna eat. Let's go in the table. Yes. Let's eat the nice food. All right, guys. So it's time to eat. First, I'm gonna eat the eggplant with sambal. Top notch. Then you have a drumstick curry. That's the way of Sri Lankan eat. Nice spicy. The drumstick has a lot of meat. So good. The sambal, the potatoes, dal, everything goes so well. Now going for a second round. Can you put some idli?
Of course.
Yes, idli. I have one.
Want the sambar?
No, yeah, yes, please. The second round, the food is so delicious.
Do you like the idli?
I didn't try. I had a puttu first. Now I'm second go.
Apparently they make it at a house.
Yeah, it's everything is a house food.
No, this Gunaki ordered outside. Like they live in the neighborhood and they make idli and sell it.
Oh really? Amma, சாப்பாடு எப்படி இருக்கு? You know what I'm gonna drink right now? Sri Lankan traditional juice, Nelly Crush. The drinks that made from amla juice. It's a gooseberry fruit. It's so good. You see the color next to me, that called Nelly Crush. It looks amazing. I'm gonna have a betel nut. Yeah, சாப்பிட போறீங்க. This is what she's gonna eat. I'm gonna have some betel nut. That's a way you end the food. I already have a full meal. Let's have put in there. Put some. This is called chunna. It's from India, but in Tamil, my tradition, they call chunna, sunnambu. A little bit you touch and spread in there. It's like a Indian pan, but it's different version of Indian pan. Don't put too much. Yeah. Then you have to put this one on the top. So this one on the pot here.
Baby shark, do do do.
Yep. Then all mixed together. You have to fold it. Yeah. So good. Hi everyone. So I had a good meal. Then have a fruits. Two type of food I had it. One is Sri Lankan traditional food puttu. Then I had idli. That's a South Indian food, but this belongs to us too. It's a full meal, man. Look at my stomach. It's really full. Had a full meal and now I'm going for a walk. Just walking. Anyway, thanks a lot guys for watching today's video, and please subscribe our channel